welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this great recipe, boiled yam. So these are the yam I will be using for this recipe, and the eggs, and also the hot chili pepper, and we have onions here. So watch out and see how I am going to start with this cooking. Thank you all, and if you are all new on this channel, you are very welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. And all my subscribers, thank you all. Now we are starting the cooking. Wow, so nice. So this is the peeling. So I just have to cut the yam. It's inside the water, so it don't change color. So just butter the yam so that it can cook fast. That's the reason for recutting the yam, so they cook fast. At least 10 minutes is already cooked. So this is the yam. So right now the yam is ready. We have to put them inside the cooking pot. This is already water inside the pot. We just have some salt to it, a little bit of salt, and now we just put the yam, already washed yam, inside the cooking pot with hot boiling water and salt. Now we cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. So it's boiling really well, so I have to check if it's cooked. Yeah, it's almost done. So let's give it about 2-3 minutes. So the yam is cooked, and now I need to check. You see, this is very well cooked. So now we just have to take it out from the heat and let it cool down. Right away, we're just gonna start with the egg frying. So we're starting with the egg right now. Just break out all the egg. So this is the egg. It's already here right now. So we have to transfer this egg into this big bowl so that we can be able to mix it very well. So right away, we're just gonna add some seasoning to it. This is seasoning for egg. Just add a good amount of it, and now we mix everything together. And now we add all the onions, all the chopped onions, and all the fresh chili pepper, everything together. So this is the egg, it's ready. So right now we're just gonna start the frying. The pot is On the fire, we just add oil to the pot. Not too much oil. If you want, you can add a good amount of oil. So this is it. Now we're just gonna add all this egg. These are all the good amount of egg. You don't need to add salt. If you like, you can add salt. But the seasoning has salt already. You just have to let it cook slowly. This is one of the eggs you would love to eat. So yummy. So these are all free-range eggs. So this is it. It's almost ready. We call it scrambled eggs. This is one of the best eggs you can ever eat. It's so fluffy and yummy-licious. So this is it. Ready. So the egg is ready. You can see how fluffy the egg is. We just 3 minutes. That is it. Ready. So now it's time to serve. So now it's ready. You just have to take it out of the fire. It's time to serve this very delicious egg. Wow, so fluffy. This is free-range eggs and boiled yam. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. These are all the egg and the yam. These are all the egg and the yam is ready to eat. Thank you all, and please share this video for others to see. See you with my next great recipe. Bye for now.